Okay, so just want to do a quick tutorial on getting the standalone Rhythmicon working. So I've got the algomusic.com backslash Rhythmicon backslash index.html, and then I'm going to click on download. So I'm downloading the file. So I'm on a Mac. So I'm going to open that standalone zip. And then basically once you've got that downloaded, you want to go to this docs folder and then go to the guide.html file. And this is going to tell you how to get it running locally. So the main thing you need to do is you need to get this get a free demo license. So I've already downloaded the demo license, but you basically click on that, submit, your name and email, and then it'll send you it in an email. And it's a 30-day evaluation license. If you want to just purchase the license, you could scroll down here to the bottom and get it for $19.31 just for the Rhythmicon license. Okay, so basically let's leave that open, sorry. So now I've got that downloaded, so let me re-download this file. So basically we want to save this file. I'm going to save it to that directory that I just created. And now what I want to do is, so right here I've got that license, right? So I want to go to the license installer file. Whoops. And I got on a Mac right now with this, it's getting that unidentified developer message when you try to open it. So you got to right click on it and then hit open, and then it'll let you bypass that. It'll say, are you sure you want to open it? So now I'm going to hit open, and it'll open a little box that you just drag the license into. So now it's, drag the license into the panel. So here's the license that I had downloaded a minute ago from my email. And I'm just going to drag that in there, and now it says successfully installed. And so then all I have to do is just run this Apple command. So, whoops, gotta right click on that, same as the unidentified developer error. So now once whoops, what did I do there? So I'm going to right click on it, open. There we go. So now it's going to start, and see how it's saying 30-day demo license. So now it's going to start. Excuse me. And basically then you've got your virtual Rhythmicon here. So what I can do is set this bass frequency, or set the tempo. Let's just make it 50, and then we'll set the bass frequency to 100. So now when I hit 1, I'm going to get 1 beat per minute of 100 hertz, or 100 cycles per second. And then I'm going to go 2 over 1 will give me that 2 over 1 with the 200 frequency over the 100 frequency. So that's how I could create my different rhythms. And then now if I want to, let's say I want to just output this so I don't have to keep redoing this. I've already got, the frequency and the tempo that I want. I could hit record wave. So now I'm going to save it, and then I'll hit the record button. button, and now it's going to start recording. So I'll let this go for 30 seconds or so. Oh, it's interesting. This record time doesn't seem to work. Never noticed that before. For some reason, this reminds me of My Sharona. My Sharona. Okay. So let's hit stop there. And then let's release all the keys. So now if I go back to that folder, which I thought was going to be on my... There we go. Okay. Doesn't look like I saved that in the WAV folder for some reason. So anyway, let's put it in there. So now I've got this WAV file created. So now I could open this and it'll play in iTunes. Or I could, you know, bring it into my DAW or whatever I want to do. Okay? Alright, so let me know if you have any questions getting that running.